So today is our third day and final day of our Details Are Certified Detailer private licensee training program. I have Elgin Hernandez in from Kentucky. He's actually in with his dad. And so, what do you think of the business day on Friday?
I thought it was good. It was real entertaining. Learned a lot.
So I was
Definitely.
entertaining, huh?
Yeah.
You learned a lot.
Oh yeah.
What's your probably your biggest takeaway from Friday's business and marketing class?
Mm, it's better to go down than it is to go up. I would say.
Gotcha. You mean in price?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
What about yesterday's exterior paint correction, polishing, and ceramic coating?
Got a little workout in for sure. Sore.
What'd you think of the training?
It was really good.
Yeah, you
Learned
made
a
this.
lot.
Yeah, you made this Jeep Compass that came in all scratched up with car wash scratches. Looked like brand new.
Oh yeah. Learned from the best here.
My man. And today's interior training.
Yeah, it was real good. Got it looking real good, nice and clean.
Did
Brand
you
new.
learn all the different
Oh
procedures
yeah.
and
Professional
all the
equipment,
steps?
professional supplies. Pretty
Excellent.
solid.
Would you refer someone to come to our training?
Oh yeah, definitely.
As long as it's not a competitor, right?
Oh yeah.
All right, man. You are now Details Are and Jade Ceramic certified. Congratulations, you did a great job.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Dad's next.